Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to put about the limit h approach to positive infinity. So we have the interpretation from number 5 to 8. So the square root that is about the power 1 over 2. So I want to put this one go to numerator. So we put the negative sign on the power. And now we have the formula in here. So we can apply this one in here. And we put the bounds from number 5 to 8. So we have the limit going here. So this one that is about 1 over 2. This one that is about 3 over 2. So I will put 8 and number 5 going here. When 8 approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. That means everything go to positive infinity. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.